All right, my friends, let's go through it. So let's get started by factoring the denominator. The factors would be 2x plus 3 times the quantity 2x minus 3, not especially in that order. All right, and then from there, let's set up the form. So we'll have a constant over 2x plus 3 plus a constant divided by 2x minus 3. Next, switch gears and start adding these fractions together. So a over 2x plus 3 would need to be multiplied by 2x minus 3 over itself. And b over 2x minus 3 would need to be multiplied by 2x plus 3 over itself. All right, from there, follow your algebra nose, and we'd end up with 2ax minus 3a plus 2bx plus 3b. And that would be all over the quantity 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. Okay, next I'm going to bring down the fraction that we started out with and write it in front of this fraction that I have here and verify that I did just win the denominator battle. And since I did, now I just have to set the numerators equal to each other. So that means that 1 would have to equal, and on the right side, I'm going to go ahead and just start grouping things in terms of like x and constants. So we'd have 2a plus 2bx, and then our constant terms up there would be negative 3a plus 3b. Now on the left side, I'm going to point out that we have 1 plus 0 x's. And that can help because you're going to need to figure out what to set 2a plus 2b equal to. So I hope it makes sense. We can set 2a plus 2b equal to 0. And we can set negative 3a plus 3b equal to 1. There we go. So here's your system of equations. Now you just get to solve it. So I'm going to go ahead and use substitution this time. So the first equation, if I was to solve for a, I would find out that a is equal to the opposite of b. Then that would mean that I could just take that and substitute it in for a in line 2. So I'd end up with negative 3 times negative b, or positive 3b, plus 3b equals 1. So we'd get 6b equals 1, and then that means b would be 1/6. And if b is 1/6, then according to this right here, that would mean that a would have to be the opposite of 1/6. There we go. Okay, once you have your constants, you back substitute them into your form and then make your conclusion. So we can conclude that 1 over 4x squared minus 9 is equal to the opposite of 1/6 over 2x plus 3 plus positive 1/6 over 2x minus 3. Now, it's considered very unsimplified to have a compound fraction like this, where you have fractions within fractions, so you're not likely to see the answer in the back of the book or in a multiple choice situation look like this. Instead, you'll see this first fraction written in one of the following forms, maybe like negative 1 over 6 times 2x plus 3. And then the second fraction could be written as positive 1 over 6 times 2x minus 3. And then for some reason, typically answers tend to lead with the positive value. So don't be surprised if you see the positive value first, and then maybe the 6 got distributed or something. So that would look like this. And then you could just say minus 1 over something like this. So lots of different ways that your answer could look. I'm just going to go ahead and leave my answer like that. But my friends, big congratulations. If for whatever you're from this, you are understanding at this point, but man, oh man, if you made it to this step right here, then you're doing great. You're getting it. So congratulations. Okay, and then just watch out for, leaving your answer in terms of compound fractions. Here we go. Okay, let's see. For part C, let's have you take a look at 5x squared minus 12x minus 12 over x cubed minus 4x. And I think this is our last problem that we'll do, and then you'll be done with notes for this lesson. All right. Good luck.